how can Preethi become like a Stephen Hawking?
Yes. So in that sense, our way of expanding is going to be twofold. One, which was already happening, actually threefold, and all through Soulfree. The first one is the first phase of our operations has been outreach operations, which is for the last 8 years we've been supporting people with spinal cord injury who are facing a lifetime of paralysis, lead a life of dignity and purpose. So whatever they need, whether it's financial support, whether it's mobility aids, whether it's medical care, we're helping them so that they may lead a life of dignity and purpose and become as self-reliant as they can be. For example, we helped one person who knew nothing except farming and came to us for a 1,000 rupee monthly stipend because he had no income. We helped him set up an acre where he could do agriculture. And in the first year alone, he had grown more than 100 sacks of rice and earned more than 1 lakh of rupees and is today employing 10 to 20 people.
Beautiful.
So this is our outreach program, which will continue. But now we are starting what we are thinking is one of India's first Inspire centers, integrated spinal rehabilitation centers in a 20,000 square feet facility in the old GH compound of Tiruvannamalai, which will provide self-reliance training. We will provide them with medical treatment. We will give them a reason to live by giving them art and music and everything they need to feel alive and happy. And we will also give them vocational rehabilitation to become financially self-sufficient when they leave our facility. So this is a kind of rehabilitation and research facility in the holistic management of spinal cord injury, of which we don't know any others in India.
Beautiful, wonderful, wonderful.
But even this is not our final and ultimate goal. The way, I mean, I can't compare myself with a person like Stephen Hawking, but whatever he's given to the world in terms of physics, maybe I can do in impacting people's lives and their hearts and give them spread love, light, laughter in this world, which is my motto. So the ultimate goal of Soulfree is to ensure that nobody is forced to commit suicide because of a physical condition they have no control over.
Correct.
So our ultimate goal is to start an inclusive village. We are calling it the Soulfree Shambhala village, which will provide hope, happiness, inclusion, and a way for them to live a life of dignity and purpose. Because that word dignity, you will find it being repeated a lot in what I say, because that is the thing that seems to have no value in India. And for us, it means the most.
Correct.
Just a space that is not even accessible, and I'm being carried, I'm being humiliated.
Correct.
Can't I have the dignity of a ram? Is that too much to ask?
Correct.
So that's where we are coming from. We want to create a village where nobody has to ask for a ram, that everything is universally accessible, a place where people in wheelchair, we will have sustainable businesses running in that space where people in wheelchair will be employed and they will feel that their life has meaning and they will be able to live there without the fear of being pushed to commit suicide, without the fear of being abandoned. This is our ultimate goal. And honestly speaking, I don't know if there is a place like that anywhere in the world. So we are doing something pioneering and we need all the support we can get.
Correct.